This foundation is what we call a raft foundation. The whole lot covers the footprint of the building. And what I can do here, we can flick it around and have a little look. We'll have a look underneath. On this side is the steel cage, what the concrete gets poured over, and that stops the foundation from cracking. Now it's all tied together with steel ties, and the idea for that is to keep concrete. Concrete is great in compression, but it's not so good in tension as concrete. So what I can do now then is, for my learners and stuff, I can start to reveal some of the parts. Now if I go on there, take with me. There we go. And what we can do, I can now see the steel within the concrete, how it goes in. And you can see on the outside what we call the ring. That takes most of the weight of the building, so that is heavily got steel in there, steel rebar, and that will all be tied together, so it's one big structural component. We've got our inside blockwork, we've got our outside brick skin, and we've got what we call our cavity fill, and that's to stop the soil from crushing that up on the side there. Now what we would do, we'd go up to our damp proof course, and then we would start our decorative bricks on the top. This is a section through a floor of a house what I've drawn, and the idea is the students can come to the front, we can spin it around and we can discuss the things. What I've done is what we call a hollow suspended timber floor, which is this one, okay, and then what I've done here on this one, this one is a concrete floor, what we call a beam and block floor. And what I can do with this, I can spin it around, we can have a look underneath and how it goes together, see all the components. What else I can do, I can strip it back if I want, I can turn it over, spin it around for my learners to have a little look at. And what I can do, I can say to them, okay, come and show me where the sleeper wall is, come and show me where the damp proof course is, show me where the air bricks are. What happens if we don't have air bricks? What happens if the ground is higher than the DPC? What type of foundation is this? What would happen if we used a different type of foundation? This one is my concrete floor, and it's a beam and block floor. And again I can say to them, why is this one better than the other floor then? Is it better for the environment? Which would be the first piece we put down? Which would be the last? What would happen if we had services coming in through the floor? What would we have to do then? Why do we sit it on damp proof course? What types of bricks are these up to damp proof course? Are they engineering bricks? How would you finish the top of the floor off? All these questions can be asked within the classroom by using Google 3D Sketch. And on a smart board, I wouldn't be using a pen, I could use my fingers to. Students can come to the front and move it around and show me various components. Where's me?